Hello. So for our second clinical scenario, we will look for whether vaccinating the children with MMR will cause autism. So we're in front of an etiology type of question. The PICO are the following. Our patients are children. The intervention is vaccinating them with MMR, and there is no comparison here. We are looking as an outcome for whether they will get autism or not if they were vaccinated. So we will search in PubMed under clinical queries for etiology. We will keep the scope broad for the time being, and we will search for MMR vaccine and autism. Okay. We will search and see in advanced what do we have. So he took the measles, mumps, rubella vaccine as a MASH, but also as keywords, and the autistic disorder as a MASH and also as keyword. So we can just copy paste the MAShes that you want. And we can take the autistic disorder and the filter. Search. Then we have to limit for the age. Okay, they were already ticked, so I will choose them from here. And to search. So now we have 65 results. If I want to maybe make them, get less article to read, we can just go for the broad filter and write narrow. And do the search. Now we have 17 articles left. Thank you.